In the rapidly growing world of digital marketing, understanding the language is essential to your success. Whether you're a business owner looking to take the reins of your digital marketing efforts, or you're considering collaborating with an advertising agency, the key to success lies in mastering the fundamental terms of this field. From SEO to ROI, there are a lot of acronyms and jargon that can be a bit daunting to understand. In this video, we'll demystify these terms and empower you with the knowledge you need to navigate the digital marketing landscape, communicate your goals effectively, and make informed choices for your business's growth and success. So let's get started. So let's start with the basics. Digital advertising is the promotion of products or services using online channels. This can be anything from social media pages to online blogs to apps, your website, and much more. Since the world is more interconnected than ever before, businesses are turning from traditional advertising methods to digital ones. This allows businesses to not only advertise to potential customers where they're the most active, but it also allows them the ability to target the specific people that match their ideal target persona. But we'll discuss more on that later. Digital advertising also allows marketers the ability to monitor the success and performance of their campaigns in real time. Previously, with traditional marketing, measuring the success of an advertising campaign was more of a guessing game than an exact science. Now, every digital platform is able to show you its specific analytics, allowing businesses the ability to track campaign success both efficiently and more accurately than ever before. When it comes to digital advertising, there are many reasons to consider working with an advertising agency. And it doesn't start and end with just their expertise in the field, though that is the main selling point. Not only are advertising agencies able to provide specialized knowledge, they also help businesses save on time and money, and they allow you access to advanced tools and top creative talent. As technology and consumer behavior continue to evolve, so does the nature of online advertising, making it crucial for businesses to stay atop of the latest trends and tactics. But like any highly specialized field, digital advertising has its fair share of terminology and jargon that can be confusing when you're not familiar with it. So whether you're considering tackling your digital marketing on your own, or you're already collaborating with an agency and you just want to know what the fuck they're talking about, here are the top terms that you need to be familiar with. One of the most important terms you will learn is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results. The higher you rank on Google, the more likely it is that people will click on your website. This is crucial because it directly impacts your online visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you. The next term you need to know is pay-per-click, or PPC. PPC advertising is a digital advertising model where you pay a fee every time one of your ads is clicked by a user. This method is used to drive traffic to your website, and it primarily operates on search engines and various online platforms. In a PPC campaign, advertisers bid on specific keywords or phrases relevant to their target audience, and their ads are displayed when users search for those keywords. When someone clicks on the ad, the advertiser is charged a predetermined amount, often based on a bidding system. This is where SEM comes to play. SEM stands for search engine marketing, and it encompasses both SEO and PPC. It is a comprehensive approach to improving your online presence, combining both organic and paid strategies for maximum impact. Next is social media marketing. Social media marketing is powerful, and it's one of the most important digital advertising strategies a business can implement. It leverages different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more to help you connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and promote different products and services. Through content creation, sharing engagement, marketers aim to foster meaningful relationships with their followers, drive traffic to the website, and achieve specific business objectives. Social media marketing has both paid and unpaid elements to help you as a business maximize your reach. These unpaid efforts are called your organic content. This refers to any content content where you don't pay to have it posted and promoted on the platform. These posts rely on reach and engagement generated by your existing followers, as well as the platform's algorithms. While organic reach has its limitations due to the algorithms, it still is an essential part of your marketing for building and maintaining a loyal audience. On the flip side, you do have paid content. Paid content is any promotional ad that you pay to display to either a wider or more specific audience. When setting up your paid ads, you're able to target users based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and more, which ensures that your ads are able to reach the most relevant viewers. These provide an opportunity to increase brand visibility, drive conversions, and boost website traffic, while also offering precise control over budgets and campaign performance tracking. Next, you have boosted posts. Now, we often get clients who don't understand the difference between a boosted post and a paid ad. So let me help clarify. Boosted posts are a type of paid advertising that involves the promoting of a regular organic post to a larger and more targeted audience. Essentially, you're paying to ensure that a specific organic post is boosted to the top of people's feeds, allowing you to increase the visibility of the content that is performing exceptionally well or is particularly important. This offers a simpler and more convenient way to promote existing content without the need for a full advertising campaign. Next, of course, is the algorithm. Every social media platform has its own algorithm that it follows. Each algorithm consists of a complex set of rules and criteria that it uses to determine which post will be shown to the users in their feed and timelines. These algorithms take various factors into account, like relevance of content, user engagement history, post timing, and more. They are continuously evolving and they have the ability to significantly impact your organic reach and visibility. So understanding and catering your content to the algorithm is really important. Once you've launched your advertising campaigns, it's essential to measure their success. And in order to measure that success, it's important that you understand your KPIs. KPIs stand for Key Performance Indicators, and it refers to the specific metrics we want to use to measure the success of an advertising campaign. There are many different KPIs, and which KPI is right for you will vary depending on your campaign goals. But a couple examples include conversion rates, ROI, click-through rates, and more. Speaking of, what is a conversion rate? A conversion rate refers to the percentage of website visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or subscribing to a newsletter. It measures just how effectively a campaign is able to turn visitors into customers or leads. Leads are any potential customer who show interest in your brand by taking a specific action. Typically, this involves them providing their contact information or engaging with an advertisement in a way that shows their willingness to learn more or potentially make a purchase. ROI, or return on investment, is another critical metric. This helps you determine the profitability of your campaigns by comparing the revenue they generate to the cost of running the ads. Understanding ROI ensures that your advertising efforts are not only effective, but also cost efficient. CTR, or known as click-through rate, measures the percentage of people who click on your ad or link compared to the total number of people who see it. It's typically used to determine engagement level on the ad. Lastly, you have your bounce rate. A bounce rate indicates the percentage of users who visit a website, but they leave without taking any action or visiting other pages on the site. You want to ensure you have a low bounce rate, since a high bounce rate suggests a lack of engagement or relevance. Now, when it comes to strategizing, one of the most important methods you should be familiar with is funnel marketing. A conversion funnel, also called a sales or marketing funnel, is a conceptual framework we use in digital advertising to demonstrate the different stages a potential customer goes through on their journey to making a purchasing decision. These stages include awareness, which is being aware that your business exists; interest, becoming engaged with the brand by interacting with it in some way; consideration, which is evaluating if your product or service meets their needs; and lastly, conversion, the ultimate goal of any sales funnel. Like a real funnel, The number of potential customers typically narrows as they progress through these stages. Funnels typically make use of landing pages rather than sending potential customers directly to your website. A landing page is a separate web page that is created specifically for a digital advertising campaign. Their primary purpose is to convert visitors into leads or customers by encouraging them to take a very specific action, like making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or filling out a contact form, or downloading a resource. One element that you'll see throughout your advertising efforts is a call to action. A call to action, or what we call a CTA, is a specific prompt or instruction that encourages the audience to take a particular action. Common CTAs include phrases like buy now, sign up, register, learn more, request a quote, and many, many more. Another strategy we may use is retargeting. Retargeting, or also known as remarketing, is the act of targeting users who have previously interacted with your brand via a website or digital content, but didn't actually complete your desired action. The primary goal in retargeting is to re-engage past visitors and encourage them to return and complete a desired action. You'll also come across many terms that are specific to the optimization of your campaigns. In fact, we can start with the term optimization itself. Optimization refers to the process of continuously monitoring and fine-tuning your advertising campaigns to achieve better results, maximize efficiency, and meet specific campaign objectives. The goal of optimization is to enhance the performance of your ads by making data-driven adjustments based on key metrics and insights. One method we use to compare and evaluate campaign performance is A/B testing, also known as split testing. The main purpose of A/B testing is to determine which variation of an advertisement is most effective in achieving your specific goal. Another element we look at when optimizing digital advertising campaigns is lead quality. Having a ton of leads is all well and good, but the true success of a lead generation campaign lies in the quality of the leads you generate. We will often generate a target persona and compare the characteristics, behaviors, and preferences of these leads to this target persona. If the leads closely match the target persona, we know that they are high quality and likely to convert. Mastering these advertising terms is not just beneficial, it's essential for businesses looking to collaborate effectively with their digital advertising agency. By understanding these terms, you'll be better equipped to communicate your goals, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve the success in your digital advertising. Remember, continuous learning and staying up to date are key to staying ahead of the game. So remember to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Also, if you found this video useful, remember to leave a like and let us know in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions on the type of content you would like to see, please reach out to us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.